Welcome to Press Media of India, PMI. I am Syed Liaqat Hussain on the news desk. And here's the presentation for today's headlines. Kishan Reddy celebrates Yoga Day with Hyderabad. CM KCR lays foundation for multi-super speciality hospital in Warangal. KTR rides to center to set up vaccine testing center in Hyderabad. KCR to blame for Krishna water distribution mess. Brothers feared to be drowned in Shamirpet Lake. Charred body of man found in Uppal, Bhagiat. Rupees 20 crores worth drugs seized at Shamsabad International Airport in Hyderabad. KCR announces a new district name of Hanamkunda. The news are in detail now. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs G. Kishan Reddy joined yoga enthusiasts and proponents in International Yoga Day celebration on Monday. Participating in a virtual mode from Delhi, Reddy performed several yoga exercises, while yoga proponent Aruna, a student of the Hindu Public School, and BJP members joined in from different locations of Hyderabad. Speaking on the occasion, Kishan Reddy said, thanks to Prime Minister initiative, yoga is being officially celebrated across the globe. The minister said that yoga can offer a cure for all ailments. He exhorted participants to make yoga a part of their daily lives. Kishan Reddy hails from Telangana and represents the Secunderabad constituency in the Lok Sabha. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Monday laid foundation stone for the much-awaited multi-super speciality hospital proposed to be constructed on the old Center Prison premises in Warangal. He has also inaugurated the administrative block of Kaloji Narayana Rao University of Health Sciences and the Integrated District Collectorate complex in the city. The Chief Minister arrived in a helicopter from Hyderabad and landed at Arts and Science College in Hanamkunda. He was welcomed by the ministers, legislators, elected representatives, and officials. He paid tributes to the Telangana ideologue Professor K. Jaya Shankar, reiterating the need of setting up a vaccine testing and certification laboratory in Hyderabad on the lines of the Central Direct Laboratory at Kasauli. IT and Industry Minister K.T. Ramarao on Sunday urged the union government to set up the lab to boost vaccine production. In a letter to Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan, the minister said Hyderabad has emerged as the vaccine capital of the world. Currently, companies were sending every batch of vaccines for testing to the National Vaccine Testing Center in Kasauli, and this was resulting in loss of 45 days of valuable time, he pointed out. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP on Sunday held Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao responsible for Telangana being denied the right share of Krishna water by not withdrawing the case pending in the Supreme Court for the last 6 years, because of which Centre could not refer the matter to the tribunal. Otherwise, there was a chance of getting 650 TMC out of the 1005 TMC of water. Mr. Rao failed people of Telangana by not withdrawing the case when it was suggested by Union Minister Gajendra Shekhawat in the Apex Council meeting in October last year. He wasted another 8 months on this. This kind of indecisiveness costed us and the legitimate interest of the people got sabotage of his Tughlaq behavior, said party president Bandi Sanjay Kumar. Two youngsters, both brothers and doctors, are feared to have drowned in the Shamirpet Lake, police said here on Monday. The duo, identified as Gautam 27 and Nandan 24, residents of Old Alwal, had come the lake on Sunday evening for sightseeing when they accidentally fell into the lake and went missing. It is yet to be known if both fell together or one of them fell first and the other fell in while trying to rescue the first one, police said. The charred body of an unidentified man was found in a secluded place at Uppal Bhagyat near Shilamparam here on Monday morning. It is suspected that the victim was murdered, police said. The local residents noticed the body of the victim, aged in his mid 20s, lying amidst bushes and alerted the police. Police said surveillance camera footage was being examined. Efforts are on to identify the victim. The Opal police booked a case and shifted the body for postmortem. The officers of the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence DRI found a man carrying a large number of drugs at Shamshabad International Airport in Hyderabad. The authorities seized the drugs from a Tanzanian national named John Williams. The DRI officials have identified heroin worth rupees 20 crore. He hid the heroin in a specially arranged hole in the bottom of the trolley bag. However, a team of DRI officials at the Shamsabad airport said that a large number of drugs were being smuggled from Doha and suspicion fell on a passenger named John William. Arrived from Doha and his luggage was thoroughly inspected, the officials then found drugs secretly hidden inside his bag. The seized drugs were found to be more than 3 kg of heroin, which is in brown color, and arrested the suspect John and launched an investigation and trying to find out information on who is behind him. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao announced a new district of Hanamkunda after considering the request from the local public. Several elected representatives submitted representations to the Chief Minister during the latter's visit to Warangal city on Monday. He directed Chief Secretary Somesh Kumar to consider the requests and issue orders after finalizing the district boundaries within the next few days. The Chief Minister instructed the officials to use the newly inaugurated integrated collectorate complex of Warangal Urban District, which is located in Hanamkunda, for the new district of Hanamkunda and construct a new integrated collectorate complex for Warangal Urban District in Auto Nagar area.